This video showcases a straightforward demonstration of Arduino's built-in fade LED example code. However, in this tutorial, we will take it up a notch by using a MOSFET and a 12-volt bulb in place of an LED. The bulb will be powered through an N-channel MOSFET, which is in turn controlled by an optocoupler for isolation. The purpose of this example is to ensure the safe operation of high-voltage loads using Arduino. This is achieved through the galvanic isolation of an optocoupler, thereby preventing any potential damage to the Arduino. This example demonstrates the use of pulse width modulation to fade a light bulb by adjusting the duty cycle of the signal at pin 3 of the Arduino. Additionally, the speed of a DC motor can be controlled using the same example. Download the project diagram from the provided link in the description for a visual guide to this exciting project. Follow the on-screen diagram to seamlessly connect all the components for this project. Let the visuals be your guide to a successful setup. Next, establish the connection for the 12-volt DC power supply by connecting the DC jack, as demonstrated in the video. Ensure a secure and stable power source for optimal project performance. After completing all the connections, it is time to upload the software into the Arduino Nano. Find the software code in the description, download it, and proceed to upload it into the Arduino for the next exciting phase of your project. Supply 12-volt DC to the project and experience the bulb fading delight. This example demonstrates the use of pulse width modulation to fade a light bulb by adjusting the duty cycle of the signal at pin 3 of the Arduino. The speed of a DC motor can be controlled using the same example. Access all the essential information and step-by-step instructions by following the link provided in the description. Download everything you need for a smooth and successful project execution.